Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to create slide deck or PowerPoint presentations using Google Notebook LM. The very first thing that you need to do is you have to click on Create New on the top right hand side. Once you click on it, you see this on the screen. So you have option to upload either PDF document or text document or Word document or whatever it is, or you can simply go down. You see here paste text here, click on copy text. Once you click on copy text, if you have text information already ready with you, all you need to do is you need to simply copy that information. See, I want to create a slide deck or PowerPoint presentation using these details. So I'm going to simply copy all these details. Okay, I'm going to copy all these details and I'll go back to Notebook LM here and I'm going to simply paste that information here. Okay, all you need to do is copy and paste it and click on insert. Once you click on insert, the document would be created or the notebook would be created. See, the notebook is getting created. Now, if you see here, there is an option called slide deck. Okay, there is an option called slide deck with which you can create slide deck. So, let's say for example, in the previous days, we used to create a lot of PowerPoint presentations or we used to, go to some AI subscription websites to create some PowerPoint presentation. But now all you need to do is copy the information and with the help of this feature you can create slide deck. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on slide deck here. So it is in the process of creating slide deck. And in the meanwhile, I wanted to inform you that it is not only about just uploading or creating slide deck with the help of text information. You can also use YouTube links, you can use PDF documents, you can use website links as well to create these particular slide decks. Okay, so let's say for example you are reading an interesting blog from some favorite author or writer and you like that blog. Maybe it could be about technology or it could be about personal development or whatever it is. All you need to do is you can copy that link of that website and put it in Google Notebook LM and it is going to create a wonderful presentation for you. Alright, if you see now, the slide deck has been created here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it and see how it looks like. So I clicked on it and yeah, if you see here, this is the slide deck. I'm going to expand this. Okay, I'm going to expand this. So this is how the presentation looks like. The strategic engine for modern enterprise, AWS EC2. Okay, see, this is the first page. This is the second page. Third one, fourth one, fifth one. It looks so beautiful, guys. Really, it looks amazing. 33 plus AWS regions, 100 plus availability zones. See, you can use this presentation for any during meetings or client business meetings or whatever it is, or for teaching or in your business or to teach someone. See, cut server cost by 30 to 40% by eliminating waste. See, it's a wonderful presentation. So you don't have to rely on any other tools, any other subscription tools that are available on internet. You can use this free Notebook LM tool to create presentations for your business or for your studies or for your work. Alright, so before I end this video, I just want to inform you one last thing. If you want to download it, you can download it here. If you want to share it, you can share it here. If you want to just play it, it is going to play the slideshow here. One after the other, it is going to play the slideshow. Okay, so before I end this video, I am going to say one more thing. So I'm going to close this here and if you see here it says beta, slide deck beta. So this feature is available only for some users. Let's say for example you went to Notebook LM and if you don't see slide deck here or infographic here, it means that It has not rolled out for your particular account. So you have to wait for some time. If you see these two options like beta, then you can definitely use these features. Okay, and there is another thing I want to mention. If you see here, there is a pencil option. If you click on it, you can customize the slide deck according to your requirement. Let's say, for example, if you have uploaded 50 pages of PDF, 50 pages PDF or 100 pages PDF, then what you can do is you can customize it, saying that if you want only slide deck for a specific topic, you don't want slide deck for 100 pages or 50 pages, maybe you want slide deck created for only one topic out of those 50 pages or 100 pages PDF, then you can say here something like create a slide deck for beginners using a bold and playful style with a focus on maybe let's say Amazon EC2, or let's say S3 bucket, or let's say Amazon workspaces. So what you are doing is basically you are asking Google NotebookLM to create slide deck or PowerPoint presentation for a specific topic out of those 100 pages or 150 pages that you are uploading it. Alright, so this is what I wanted to mention in this particular video. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.